Let's do it. Hey, what's up guys? Adam Lobo here from... Hey. Hey, what's up guys? Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, I'll share with you guys my first impressions of the Honor 20 Lite, so keep watching. Now, starting from the phone's design, it has a curved body just like how the other Lite series was, and at the back is made of plastic, and instead of the Aurora kind of finish of the Honor View 20, it followed the Honor 10 Lite finish where they went with the gradient color finish with the 3D optical effect with 8 layers of processing, where in layman terms it means it looks like glass, but it's not. And the cameras are placed on a vertical position, and the fingerprint sensor is also right in the middle on a very good position, and it unlocks really fast, the fastest they have tested on any Honor phone right now. Now, going back to the color finishes, it comes with 2 colors for you guys to choose from. The one which I have is the Phantom Blue, which had a very unique purple to blue gradient, which is quite unlike other gradient phones out there. And then there's also Phantom Red. Now, when it comes to the phone screen, it has a 6.21-inch full view display, which to me looks decent and no complaints over there. Now, it has quite thin bezels at the sides, which is great to see, but it's slightly thicker down below. And then it comes with a dewdrop notch and a screen resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and a higher 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio with over 90% screen to body ratio, which is also really nice to see. Now, as for the ports and buttons, looking down below, due to its lower price range, it comes with a micro USB port, a speaker grill, and then the almost disappearing headphones jack. And then looking right on top, there is the SIM card and the micro SD card slot, which you can expand up to 512 gigs of storage. And then there's also the volume rocker and the power button on the right. Now, as for the camera specs, as mentioned earlier, there's 3 cameras. One is a 24 megapixel f1.8 aperture lens, and an 8 megapixel f2.4, which is a 17mm ultra wide angle lens, and a 2 megapixel f2.4 depth sensor lens. Now, as for the front camera, it has a huge 32 megapixel camera with an aperture value of f2.0 lens, which of course we'll find out how the camera performs for the back and also for the front during my full video review of the phone, so stay tuned for that, and also subscribe to this channel if you guys haven't done so. Now, as for video, Honor has mentioned that it records 1080p at 30 frames per second, and that's for the front and also for the rear camera. Then, as for the insides of the phone, it has the Kirin 710 chipset, the GPU Turbo 2.0 with just one variant available, which is the 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. Now, in terms of software, it comes shipped with Android 9 Pie with the latest EMUI 9 skin, and then the phone is also powered with 3400 mAh of battery. And of course, since I already have the phone, stay tuned for my full video review to let you guys know how much screen on time that I get on the phone. Now, as for the phone's price here in Malaysia, the phone is going for only 949 ringgit, and it will be available exclusively first on Shopee in conjunction with the Super Brand Day on the 24th of April from 9 AM onwards, where there is an exclusive prizes to give out for the first 500 and the following 1000 customers. So guys, with this, do let me know what you guys would like to know about the Honor 20 Lite at the comment section below, and as usual, I'll reply them in my full video review for the phone. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick first impressions video of the Honor 20 Lite. And if you guys like this video, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.